Hey everyone, okay, in this next tip, I'm going to share another way of sharing your post to your story and obviously making it clickable just in a creative way. So I'm going to take this post and I'm going to share it to my story. So add post to my story and I'm going to literally just screenshot it initially. So with the iPhone, obviously, I'm going to screenshot it and I'm going to go into my photos and I'm going to edit it. And I'm going to obviously click edit and then obviously the crop at the bottom. So obviously on Android it would be different. I assume you'd be going to your clipboard, but I'm literally just cropping this so it's in my camera roll as the image. So there we go. So then that's done. Right, so I'm going to go back into my story. Okay, and so this, I'm going to expand it as big as I can. So basically that is the post, so that is the clickable link. Now I'm going to go to the sticker in the top again, and I'm going to go down to add image, so below the quiz sticker again. So I'm going to add my background now. So the background I'm going to add to this will be, let's do that one. Okay, so I'm going to twist it around. So I'm going to add that to cover. So that is my background now. Now I'm going to go back to the sticker icon again. I'm going to press, I'm going to literally add that image that I cropped earlier. So obviously it's gone straight through to my camera roll now, but if it didn't, you'd literally go back to, the sticker icon underneath the quiz, and obviously go to your camera roll, and I'm going to add that. So now that is added to my post. I can do whatever I want, add any gifts and everything else, but wherever they press on that page, it is a clickable link, and obviously it's a different way of making it creative for your viewers. So I hope that helps, guys, and I'll see you in a bit.